Hello everyone, welcome to the Global Mindset University. In today's episode, I will be teaching you guys how to make a paper airplane using this template. Now, as you can see, it says fold and fly paper airplanes. Sky the turtle dreams of being a pilot that speeds through the clouds. Could you help Sky learn how to fly by building a paper airplane like this? Okay. First, you need to follow the instructions below to assemble a paper airplane found on the next page. Okay, so first you do all those, and then at the end it's gonna look like this. And then to secure both of the ends, we're gonna secure it with a sticker. So here it is. If you look closely, you're gonna see like little dots on the place. So I'm just going to rip them out very slowly, just so that it won't rip out the airplane with it. And then okay, we cut out the whole thing. Now we just need to cut out the dotted lines very carefully. Okay, I cut out one of the dotted lines. Remember, do it very carefully. Okay. We did the top, we just need to do the sides. Okay. Doing it very carefully. Gonna need to put this down so I can do it. And we're almost done. Now we're so close. And we're done. We did it. It's not really that perfect. See, it still has a bit of smudges. One right here. But we can still make one. Okay. We have this. You're just gonna open up the notebook to the page where it was. And it was this one. So now we're going to follow the instructions written right here. So first we need to fold the edges. Okay, we're going to do that. Just in case you guys don't know where to fold, it's going to show you. See? Notice that the white part is where that you need to fold. So now I am just going to fold it just right there. I'm going to fold another piece just right there.
Yeah. I think
another one right there.
Yeah, I think some of
another one.
this is also another.
And then the last one, just right
project. I think going forward, I would say.
Okay, we already did the first one.
This is
now we're gonna do the second
Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday should have been finished. But
you guys already finished putting the folding like this, then you can just go ahead and skip to the parts of the video.
During lunchtime, I would say a little more than half hour.
Okay.
Because that wasn't enough. Yeah.
Okay, we did it. Now let's go ahead and see. Just open it up. Page where... Okay, right here.
Yeah.
After you fold them like this into like half of a square, like triangle, which is like half of a square, then you're gonna fold it again, but into like a very skinny diamond shape.
I think
Okay.
I need to.
Now you can see that right here where it says 2,
Just
right, it says 2 right here and 2 right there. That's where we are going to
last a time.
like, yeah, that is where we are going to make the fold.
Even get more time on it. So because that's important. Sometimes you have workers that is needed and to be done like urgently. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. And if you finished one of them, it's supposed to look like this. You guys, and if I finish this one, you guys can already see the airplane shape coming up. Okay. And just right there. Another one there.
Right.
And then I'm just gonna smooth it out. And make a little fold right there. And one in the middle. And crease it out. Fold. Okay, we did it. Looks pretty good. And then, let's see. After that, we need to fold right here. Fold plane in half on line 3. See, this is line 3. You need to fold it in half, like this, see? That. But make sure, like, not to cut, like, not to ruin anything, or else it's gonna be permanently ruined.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's, you see, even I say to myself.
And be very careful, or else you might rip the paper.
But I can't even tell them ahead of time. I can't make it in person because I have other projects. I thought, going there,
Okay.
it can help because it's
after you do it, it's gonna look like this, like a triangle shape, or like a hat. Okay. For that, we fold over line 4.
Things happen again after that, so I need to.
See, fold over line 4 right there. You fold it over line 4. So here's line 4. We are going to fold it over, or like on top of line 4. Okay.
I will never balance. I do exercise every day, at least 30 minutes in the morning in the past. This week, I wasn't even doing that, so I totally packed not only the project, myself as well, and I was seeing myself in the mirror, hey, what happened to me? Because otherwise, it's not gonna be good. Yeah.
Okay. Fold it, fold it, fold it.
Yep. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I folded one, and then I'm gonna fold the other one. one. And then it says turn the plane over and then fold over the number 5. So I'm just gonna do that. And
Yeah. Yeah.
wow, now it looks just like the same hat, but it's just very skinny. Now let's see. Wow, we made it. See? We could just whoosh. But we're still not done with it. Then it says use a sticker and then place it right there to connect both of them. Okay, now the sticker pack right here. These are just the tattoos. These are the stickers. And then we need to look for the bullseye sticker. As it says right here. Okay. Right here. Oh, right. So let's see. Here. As it says right here. Oh, I found it. There's actually 2, but we're just gonna use 1.
Right.
Okay. Mehfuz, would you like to peel out the sticker? Yes. It's the bullseye one. Good. See, he peeled it out. This is only if you want. So if you want to like make it secure, you could just add a sticker. But like make sure it's like a sticker that is like more thicker than a line. See? We're just going to place it just right there.
Yeah, I agree. Let's see.
Good.
How this
Now our airplane is done. And it's secured with this. Makes it look cool.
Parts.
Looks very cool. So, this is all we have for today. If you guys want to see more crafts, then go to Global Mindset University. Okay, that's all we have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell to get more videos. Bye! We'll see you on the next episode!